Friends, running kimono here. So we're doing two videos today because this deal I can't sit on overnight and give it to you tomorrow morning. I'm going to present it right now because this is the sort of deal that's going to get cleared very, very quickly. It is to get these snack size bags of Mounds, which is like the chocolate with the coconut and a bit of magic, for 89 cents each, which is an unheard of price. So if you can do this deal ASAP, that's the way to do it. So we're going to be doing this deal curbside, which means you order it through the Walgreens app. If you are not having a lot of luck with coupon codes, try a desktop computer. A lot of people have been having success with that. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check and putting this order in through the app, driving to the store and picking it up. So that is how we do it. So the Mounds are on this really weird clearance from $5.99 down to $1.49. OMG. To answer a really quick question, is it only this candy that's at this price? The answer to that is yes, because I did look with the Walgreens coupon if there were other ones attaching. This is the only one that's $1.49. So they're either clearing it out or there's some sort of glitch in the matrix and it's $1.49, and we'll be okay with that. So to get this basket to work perfectly for us, we're going to throw 12 of them into the basket for $17.88. That seems like a weird price, but there's a little bit of magic going on here. And you can even use the code WAG10, which kind of perplexes me because it's a clearance product, but it's working. So it's interesting. I'm pretty excited by this one, especially if you like to make little baskets for Christmas. I mean, this is the perfect thing to have, and who doesn't like dark chocolate? We're going to load this, which is the $1 off 2 digital coupon, and this, believe it or not, is a Hershey's product. That's news to me, so I was like, wow, that's interesting. And this is going to attach to every 2 that you're buying, so you're going to get $6 off, and I'm going to show you the math here in a quick second, but make sure you have this guy loaded. And we're using that coupon code WAG10, so I know a lot of you have been having issues with that, so maybe try a desktop computer, but there's $1.19 melting off here, plus $6 off as we're buying 12 bags, so that's $6 coming off. Show you the math here. $17.88, $7.19 melting off, free curbside pickup, and this is considered food here in Michigan, so the total here is $10.69. I personally would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay that 69 cents and call this a very good deal. As stated, it's like 89 cents a bag if you're not using the Walgreens cash, but what a deal, guys. So this is definitely a deal I would move on very quickly. Once it hits a larger blog or website or some sort of large Instagram or social media page, it's going to get cleared very quickly, and buying them in increments of 12, it won't be around very much longer. So if you can make this happen, and I'm not sure if this price will be in store as well. I'm thinking it's going to be online only. And some stores will only give you a match of 1 for the online to in-store pricing. But I would move on this very quickly because it's going to get cleared fast. Last thing I do want to mention before I run off into the big sunset, a lot of you that are doing the 70% off summer stuff over at Walgreens, a lot of you are mentioning fans, that you're getting larger fans, the handheld fans, the little box fans, and I just looked that up, and this is actually right on the money. I think you can even order a couple from their warehouse if your store is completely cleared, and if you're in need of a fan, it's just another item that, it's part of summer. So when it hits 80 or 90 in your region, possibly this is something you can be on the lookout for. Don't be shy to ask for a price check, but for those Mounds, make that happen right away, guys, because it's going to get cleared so quickly by the blink of an eye once it's out there. So make it happen ASAP. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.